Ben and Jen, good evening. And right now, the mayor says he wants people to focus on the facts, and that's not to create a scare, but to prepare for business as usual, being interrupted for at least the next few weeks.
A lot of people are going to be getting it, and for the vast majority of folks who get it, it's just going to be like the cold or the flu.
But Hartford Mayor Luke Bronin says now is the time to think about those groups in our society who are most at risk when it comes to the coronavirus. Like many other cities, Hartford already closed all public schools indefinitely. City offices closed Monday and Tuesday to prepare for modified limited services. And the mayor also applauding the governor's decision to close gyms, casinos, restaurants, and bars.
It's a response to the fact that the thing we want to avoid is that quick, sharp spike in cases that potentially overwhelms or overburdens the healthcare system and the hospitals.
But I asked the mayor what that could mean for the hourly workers who depend on those weekly paychecks to pay bills. He says the city is working on solutions.
Fortunately, utilities and gas can't be cut off during this time. One of our city council members, Jock Schmickdom, has put a proposal together to make it so that folks can't be evicted during this time of health emergency, and I strongly support that.
But the mayor says he's also calling on the federal government to pass aggressive fiscal measures to help families with the long-term impacts. Hartford County currently has 3 positive cases. The most recent, a Hartford resident in his 50s who is believed to have come in contact with many people before he tested positive.
We have been tracing the contacts, and we have notified his place of work and place of worship and other places where he may have spent some significant time.
In the meantime, the mayor says he's asking everyone to do their part.
So I think we can expect that this is going to be around for a while. And, look, this isn't the end of the world, but for a while it's going to be the end of business as usual.
And right now, the CDC recommends communities cancel or postpone gatherings of 50 people or more for the next 8 weeks at least. And with that in mind, Bronin says they will reassess the current closings by the end of this month. Back to you guys.